Welcome to the online course on programming in Python by Hemant Academy. In this session, 5 programming exercises are given that covers string handling, functions, if structure, stack implementation, etc. The first one is a program to count the number of words in a string by removing punctuations. In Python 3, we have a string constant as part of the language. One can use this by including the string module. The second program is for generating prime numbers between 1 to n using function. Add the generated prime numbers in a single list, then print the result. The third program is to print numbers into corresponding words. At least try to print 5-digit number into corresponding words. The same can be extended further. The fourth one is a program to calculate income tax based on the net income. Accept net income as input and calculate the income tax as per the given slab. Also calculate 4% health and education cess on the tax. The fifth program is to implement stack using the list with the size of 10 elements. Write a function to perform operations associated with the stack. Create a menu to perform these operations and stop the execution when the user selects exit option. You may go through the lectures once again before start coding the programs. Try to solve on your own. We will be posting more programming exercises in the upcoming lectures. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel for regular updates.